Here we have a E220 and a W124 chassis. The customer's complaining that the window doesn't go up and down properly, so we're just going to confirm the customer's complaint. So let's have a look. Let's fix this. So now the door card is removed. After you remove all the screws, you've got to lift the door card up, but these are where the clips actually slot into the metal frame, each of these places. So what you'll actually need to do is just lift the whole thing up and it'll come off. So we removed the window regulator and this is what we were met with. You can see the motor housing is actually broken. It's come away from the fixings. You can see somebody in the past has had an attempt at fixing this with tape, which has failed miserably. Job's been given up to us now to sort this out properly, so let's see what we can do. Once we removed the motor from the housing, we took all the broken pieces off, put them in position and soldered them back in place, adding some plastic to strengthen it because they're gonna inevitably break. It's a repair. But we've gone one step further. We've created a metal bracket to hold the whole thing together. Here you can see it holding it down onto the new frame as well. In the past they flex and they break. It's just the way it is. Ideally you want to replace the motor, but the customer did not supply a motor and we did not want this to go out of our hands not working. I think we can safely say that this is now repaired. Hopefully the customer's happy.